Hello, my Virgo friends. This is the reading for your career for the month of August 2017, and I will be doing a separate set for love readings. And the message for the month is that you have to clear your space, and this is the message from Archangel Zophiel. And you have to get rid of clutter, clear the energy around you, and you can use feng shui. So what I think this card is saying to you is that for this month you should clear all the, if your workplace is not clear, your cubicles are not clear, your cabins are not clear, then you need to clear them. You need to open up the windows. You need that fresh air to come inside, so that there is a new, positive energy is there. So I think this is telling you to just, clear the space and make the environment very positive. Then I think there are two set of feelings which I see. Some one might be possibly true for one set of Virgos, and other might be possible for other set of Virgos. One thing which I feel is that few of you Virgos are knowing what they want, but I don't know why they are not taking the necessary steps. Okay, they know what they want to achieve, but they are so stuck up right now that they are not taking the necessary steps or the decisions, or they are not very confident about their plans. So what I feel is that this feeling will go off in the month of August, and definitely you will come out to be very self-confident, and there will be a fire energy in you. This Prince of Wands is bringing fire energy for you, and it is the time for immediate action. And for few of you, you are feeling so burdened right now. It might be possible that you have got extra work, or your colleagues are not cooperating with you. You have got lot of work pending. That might be a possibility. So because of that, it is possible that you are feeling, very tired, and that amount of energy which is required, it is missing right now. So what I feel is that you need to revive yourself. You need to relax a bit, go on a vacation, or go to some movie, some dinner date, somewhere where you can relax yourself, or you can, go to a friend and, visit their place and maybe chit chat with them, and then you will feel good. So I think this is required right now, because some of you are feeling very burdened right now, because you have done a lot of hard work in the recent months, and now you are feeling like this hard work is not at all paying. But I think the Justice card is with you, so the justice will be done. So don't lose hope. Okay, be patient right now. That is the important energy which is required. And for some of you, if you are trying to escape from something, then don't do that. You planned something, and now if you are escaping from it, you should, stop doing that, because you are feeling that, the plan is not good enough. That feeling is coming. So I think you can take the help of someone, and it might be possible that you are venturing into some partnership for some of you, and or you will be getting some choices, so you have to make a decision. That can be also there. And one more thing is that if you are feeling stuck up, then you need to change the way you are looking at your situation. That is required. So I feel that if like these two different set of Virgos might be there, one set is feeling little burdened, and one set is, escaping from their responsibilities, or maybe the goals which they should achieve, or the, that one step, that necessary step which is required to change their life, you are missing on that. And if you are feeling a little burdened in your career, or like your job, you are feeling that you are burdened, or even your business, then what you can do is you can give your responsibilities to others. Try to do that. Okay, so I think people will help you. You are someone who is a perfectionist. You want to do everything with perfection, but that is not possible always. Sometimes you need to give responsibilities to others as well. I'm sorry for the sound. Okay, sorry for the interruption. And it is raining outside, so it is a very beautiful weather right now. So what I feel is that you need to revive yourself, and you need to look at the situation differently, or you have to come up with a better solution right now, and you can take help from others. And I think this is the message for the month, and you need to work on this. It might be possible that negativity is coming because your work area or even your home is not clean, or it might be possible that your windows are always closed, because most of us are using ACs nowadays. So it is possible that you're not opening your windows, you're not letting in the fresh air, the sunlight come in. So you should do that. It will clear your workplace, your home, and it will bring positivity in your home and your workplace. So what it will do is that all these feelings of negativities or anxieties, this will go off. You need to do this. So otherwise it is a good month only, because what I feel is that later on, whatever decisions you will make or whatever actions you will take in this month, you will definitely come out very confident, and that will make you more you will become even passionate about your work, because right now that somewhere that passion is lacking. So that passion will come back, and sometimes this restless energy is required that will keep you going, so that will also come back. So overall it will be good for you by the end of the month. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.